guys, welcome back to my channel. So at this time I would like to make a review about the COSRX must review. So the first one is the COSRX One Step Pimple Clear Kit, and the second one is the One Step Moisture Up Kit. COSRX is really famous brand for the acne problem and also for those who have like a sensitive skin. And I never tried the COSRX brand before, but when I saw this product, I just want to try it because like from this one sachet you got like 3 type of products, and yeah, I like to say it's quite interesting to try it, and also the price is quite reasonable, I like to say, and it's also really handy to go to traveling, you know. It's just like so thin, it's just like really easy to bring to your luggage. And so yeah, the difference between these two products is the pad. So I would like to tell you guys what stuff we got in here. So the first one we got like a low pH good morning gel cleanser, and the second one you've got the pad. This one is for the moisture pad, replenish moisture for all day hydration. And this one is for the remove the dead skin and also dissolve dirt and oil in your skin, and also prevent further breakouts. I would like to use this one. Okay, and the third one is the Holy Moly Snail Moss. So this contains the snail mushing. Snail mushing is really famous for the acne scar problem and also brighten up your skin tone and also for moisture your skin. So yeah, okay, without any further, try to use this brand. So first one, I would like to remove like all of my makeup first. Because I have like my eyebrow, my eyeliner, and also my lipstick, so I will use the eye remover first, and then yeah, we just start to use this pad. Okay, let's get started. So I would like to remove my eye makeup first with the Maybelline Eye and Lip Makeup Remover. Okay, I'm done for removing like my eye makeup, and then yeah, we just started to use, I will use like this one because I have like a breakout in this area, so yeah, I would like to use this one. Step 2, I will be using the One Step Pimple Clear Pad. It's really handy though because you just like break apart like this, and it also got like this area, so it's just like easy to open it up. Okay, this is like the inside of it. Okay, you got about like one. Oh no, you got like 2 pads. I like the scan though. It's kind of like a herbal scan. Yeah, I love the scan. Okay, I'm done using the pad, and I like the smell. We will be move on to the third step, which is the Holy Moly Snail Moss. This is how it looks like. The red color. yeah, done with the mask, and I feel my corneal skin is really hydrated. I would just say it's just so shiny right now. And what I feel like when the first I put the mask on my face, so I think maybe it's because contents of the snail motion, so it's really sticky. So when you put like on your face, I feel kind of like so sticky. But it's okay. I feel like it's alright though. And right now I just feel like it's really comfortable because like my face is just like really, how do I say? It just like I feel like it's really hydrated right now. And it's really like, did you see that? That my face is kind of like really jumpy right now. Yeah, I like that feel. So yeah, that's all for my video for today. I hope you guys find it helpful. I will put all the link product that I use on the description box below, so please make sure to check it out. And also subscribe for me for more update about my vlog, and also thumbs up this video if you like it. So see you on my next video. Bye!